Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. So here in this video we are going to discuss about the upside down pattern, static pattern. So I already have written the header file in line number 1. Now we are going to ask the user to tell the pattern size. So for that purpose I am taking n as the variable, and I'm going to write the output statement in which we will ask the user to enter the pattern size. So we can write, please enter pattern size, and end this statement with semicolon. Now the next one is cin to take the input in the variable n, and end this also with the semicolon. Now the user will enter some number that will represent the pattern size. So now I'm going to start the body for printing the output. So we know that as we have the rows and columns in this output, so that's why I'm going to start with the for loop, and I'm representing R for rows, and here the row will go from 1 to n. So the condition will be less than equals to n, and as we have the increment here from 1 to n, so that's why we will take R plus plus. So here we are starting the body of the outer loop, and now we need to write the code for the inner loop. I'm representing the inner one with C because it is representing the column, and as we know that as we can see in the pattern, then the first row we have n number of asterisk, so that's why I'm starting the columns with the initial value n. Now as the value is n, the starting value, and R is 1 in the very first time, so we can say that n will be greater than R. So that's why here we will write the C must be greater than equals to R. Now we are going to write the increment or decrement. As we can see that it is the columns are moving from n to R, that is 1, so it means that there is the decrement, so we are writing C minus minus. Now as there is only one statement in this inner loop, so that's why I'm not putting here the body brackets. I can just write the single statement. In the case of single statement, you can simply write it without the curly brackets, or we can say without the body of the loop. Now here we will be printing the asteric with some space, and we are going to end this with semicolon. So here we are out of the inner loop. Now what else should be there in the outer loop as to move in the next line. ठीक है, जब एक आपके पास रो सिंगल रो की जब सारी चीज़ें प्रिंट हो चुकी हुई होंगी, तो देन आफ्टर दैट वी नीड टू मूव इन द नेक्स्ट लाइन. सो फॉर दैट पर्पज आई एम राइटिंग हियर एंड एल, and now I am going to run this program. Enter the pattern size. If we enter here 24, now see, this is the output. Let's run it again for some other value. Let's suppose here the value is 10. So here is the output. If you like the video, press the like button and subscribe the channel. Thank you.